Hey guys, it's Ms. Hernandez. Today I'm going to be showing you how to access your Google Classroom, how to create classes, how to add students, and how to add co-teachers. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you are logged into your school Gmail. You want to go to the menu, which is the waffle at the top right corner, and you want to select Classroom. If you used Google Classroom last semester, you should be able to see your old classes. You can archive those classes so that you can start fresh for the school year. If you are new to Google Classroom, this will be blank. The way that you create a class is you go to the plus sign at the top right corner and you want to select Create. Here it'll give you the option to name the class. Now what you want to do for your class name, because we will have administrators as co-teachers and because they will be in multiple classes, in order to avoid any confusion, you want to make sure that you include your name and subject in your class name. So for example, Ms. Hernandez, Art, and then first period. This way, when you post an assignment or an announcement and our admin get the email or the notification, it'll say Ms. Hernandez Art first period just posted an assignment. So we want to select Create. This will also help our students when they get their emails and notifications on assignments. They'll know what teacher it is coming from and what class. So this is what your Google Classroom looks like. So to add people to your classroom, you want to go to the People tab, and you have two sections here. You have the Teacher section, so you should be able to see your name, and then you have the Student section. So you want to select Add Students. You are going to need your student's Gmail account. Your student's email can be found on Skyward under the student information. So what you would do is you type their email and you can add multiple students at once, or you can do one at a time. And then you send them the invite. So this is what it looks like before the student accepts your invitation. So what happens is the student gets an email saying Ms. Hernandez has invited you to join her art first period class. So the student needs to accept the invitation in order to show up under your Google Classroom. So if the student has not accepted the invitation, you will be able to see their name and it should say invited right next to it. Once the student accepts, let's say you want to delete a student from your class. Let's say Ms. Bernice said that drops my class after the first week of school. In order to take her off my class so that she doesn't get my notifications anymore or has access to the assignments, you want to select her name. You go to Actions and you will have the option to email or remove. So if we click Remove, then this takes her out of our class. Now let's say we want to add a co-teacher. So this is what we will be doing for our administrators. You go to Add and you type their email. So same process that we did with students. And then they should show up right here under teachers. You do want to make sure that you add them as a teacher and not a student. This way they have access to our Google Classroom. They can look at the assignments that you are assigning along with the grades as well. If you select the three dots on the right hand side, it gives you the option to email or to remove them as well.